Alright guys, we're going to be solving the first question from the Mechanics of Materials second chapter by Johnston, and we have a nylon thread that is subjected to an 8.5 Newton tension force. We know that the elastic modulus is 3.3 gigapascal and the length of the thread increases by 1.1%. So this is kind of giving us information about our strain. And we need to determine the diameter of the thread first and the stress in the thread. So we know that the strain is equal to the deformation over the length or the original length, which from the question we know that's 1.1% or 1.1 divided by 100, which is going to give us 0.011. So we have the information about the strain, and based on the Hooke's law we know that sigma is equal to elastic modulus times the strain. We already have the elastic modulus 3.3 gigapascal, so times 10 to the 9 pascal times what we found for the strain, which is 0.0011, and let's just calculate this. So 3.3 times 0.011, so it's going to give us 0.0363 times 10 to the 9, or we can write it down as 36.3 times 10 to the pascal. So we found the stress, which was what the question is asking in the B part. Now that we have the stress, we know that the stress is equal to the force over the area. So if we just want to find the area, we're going to have P over sigma, and the area would be the force P from the question we know is 8.5 Newton divided by what we found for the stress, 36.3 times 10 to the 6. So let's just divide 8.5 by 36.3. This is going to be 0.2341, or actually 2 times 10 to the minus 6. Or if we just multiply this by 1,000, it's going to be 234.2 times 10 to the minus 9, and obviously this will be in meters squared since this is pascal, so we're going to get the area based on meters squared, and we know that the area is pi over 4 times d squared, and the A part of the question is asking for the diameter of the thread, so our d would be basically 4 times a divided by pi, and we're going to have a square root. So let's see what we get. Square root of 4 times a, 234.2 times 10 to the minus 9 over pi. So this is going to give us, if we just multiply everything by 10 to the minus 6, we're going to get 546.07 meter, or we can just write it down 0.546 millimeter as the diameter for the thread. And the final answer for this question. Hope everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next video.